What's up, creators? It's your boy Mad Mike, and on today's episode, we got a new project that just rolled into the Mad Lab. It's a 1996 Chevy Camaro Z28 6-speed manual that we're going to be completely cutting apart. Stay tuned, find out why. All right, there's a new project in the Mad Lab. Like I was saying in the intro, it's a 1996 Chevy Camaro Z28 with an Lt1 V8, and it's got the famous 6-speed manual transmission. It's a really clean car. I ended up trading this for the 2016 Dodge Charger Pursuit. The Pursuit was an amazing car. It was 4-wheel drive, and it was a lot newer than this car here. It was badass. I was going to do a full wide body build on the Charger, but when I came across this car here and I messaged the guy, he was down for doing a trade. So I drove 3 hours south down to Niagara Falls, and we ended up doing the deal. I'm pretty happy with it so far. I've put some time and money into it to get it safetied and certified and on the road. So I'm driving it around right now, which is awesome. And I'm going to be doing that for the next couple months before I tear the car completely apart. And I mean, we're going to be cutting the windshield frame off, cutting the whole quarter panels, the whole rear glass is going, doors are going, hood, fenders, everything's getting completely cut off. If you're new to the channel, you'll have no idea why I have this car. But if you're an OG subscriber, you might know that I have a Lamborghini Murcielago kit car that's designed to fit on this body style, which is a 4th gen Camaro Firebird Trans Am. And originally I wasn't gonna do the front engine Lamborghini conversion, but after looking at this car here and thinking about it, I don't want to go the route with a Fiero anymore. So we're going to be doing the Lamborghini Murcielago body onto this Chevy Camaro. Let's fire it up, pull it outside. I'll be able to give you guys and girls a better update on the car and kind of a walk around tour of its condition. All right, we'll let the car warm up for a bit, and then I'll give you guys and girls a little rev towards the end. That way you can hear what it sounds like. I ended up putting a Flowmaster 40 series muffler on it, and I gutted the cats, so it's flowing a lot better now. We'll shut her down, and I'll give you guys a walk and talk tour. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm just gonna let the car keep running. It's cold outside today too, so we'll just do a walk and talk when the car is warming up. Hopefully it's not too loud and you guys can hear me talking. But yeah, we got us a 96 Z28 Lt1 6-speed manual car that we're going to be completely cutting apart. I'll walk back over here and show you guys the Lamborghini Murcielago. Actually, you know what? Let's do that right now. We had a huge storm the other day, and it blew down a bunch of trees, so we got a ton of brush and cleanup to do around the property, but you're not here to hear about that. If you're new to the channel, we got a bunch of other projects. We got a 74 Cuda, Ferrari 355 Spider kit car back there. And then we got an El Cuda, which is an El Camino mounted to a 2011 Chevy Silverado, but that's for another day. What you guys are here to see is what the Camaro is going to be going on to. And this is it right here. This is a Lamborghini Murcielago LP640 fiberglass kit car made by Kit Car Inc. And it's designed to directly fit onto a Camaro or Firebird chassis. Right now it's sitting on a Fiero frame, which has been stretched, which is great, but I don't want to go the Fiero route. I've already done a couple Fieros and I'm kind of over it. Having the 6-speed manual Lt1 with all the creature comforts is going to be amazing, and just being able to put this body on top, put glass in it, a really nice interior, it's going to be on the road a lot quicker too. This carport here got completely demolished by all the downfall. Luckily, this car did not get crushed. My girlfriend's got a video of a big branch falling straight down onto this, and I thought the car was donezo.
Lamborghini's still okay. There's a lot going on back there. Oh my god. It's just a crazy amount of ice on the trees. Look at that. Oh no, that was it. That was the fucking, that was the Lamborghini. That was it. Oh, no way, that held up. Fuck. That held up.
But it survived the storm and it's looking good. So yeah, this is the kit that is gonna go on to the Camaro. So pretty cool stuff there. Hopefully you guys dig it. And yeah, let's go do a little walk and talk on the Camaro now. All right, what can I tell you? It's black, it's in immaculate condition. Not immaculate, but it's in a really good condition for a 96. It's got T-tops. The paint's in really good condition. So if you own a Camaro and you're looking for fenders, hood, doors, hatch, T-tops, pretty much everything, this is all gonna be for sale. So hit me up or leave a comment below. It's got some like Corvette style rims on it right now. Those are gonna be going, and we're gonna be putting on some 3-piece deep dish heavy offset wheels. I wanna get some like 11-inch wide rims on the back so I can fit like some 305s to 315s. I think would be pretty sweet. I wanna have a really girthy looking rear tire. Up front, all the lights and everything are working on it. The car drives absolutely incredible. Well, not incredible, but it drives really good. The leaf springs, or sorry, the shocks that are mounted in the rear end are completely blown out. It's got springs and a solid rear axle, so the thing kind of jumps around a little bit. But that's what I mean by it drives amazing. It's just, you hit bumps and you go over stuff, you don't even feel it. I just put that little exhaust tip on it. It's like a 4.5-inch exhaust tip, just to pass safety. The one that was on it was all rotted out as well. It was only running on 7 cylinders when I bought it. I drove 3 hours on 7 cylinders and I ended up blowing out the cat and it started to rattle around on me. So I ended up gutting the cats, which was a good thing too, I guess. But the crappy thing about the 7-cylinder situation was I didn't know why it was running on 7 cylinders. So I did a bunch of research, looking around, checking out for vacuum leaks, etc., etc. And what I ended up finding was there was a spark plug on this side here there was a spark plug in the engine, in the head, but then there was another spark plug wire that was disconnected with a spark plug hanging out of it. So I guess somebody at some point was checking for a spark on the car, and the guy I traded it for had no idea of that situation. There's my neighbor. And so he had no idea that it was only running on 7 cylinders and that whole ordeal was going on. But I ended up figuring it out. And yeah, somebody was checking for a spark and never put the spark plug back into the hole or connecting the boot on. So I just pulled that spark plug out, connected the boot. It's running on 8 cylinders again, strong. Cleared all the codes, gutted the cats, and now we're here. Let's have a quick look at the interior. Let's go over to the other side here. These are pretty sweet cars. I've never been a Camaro or Firebird guy, but after picking this one here up, I actually really enjoy it. It's a fun car to drive around in. You're really low to the ground. And yeah, leather interior in really good shape, other than the driver's side seat right here. But passenger seats got no rips. Back seats have no rips. Carpet's in great condition. The dash has got a slight crack in it. 6-speed manual transmission. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Cool. Dig that. So it's already got a short shifter in it, and it's got 207,000 kilometers on it. So it's a lot of kilometers, but these motors go forever, so I'm not terribly worried about it. We're going to be gutting a lot of the interior as well, but doing new seats in the Lambo, probably a whole new dash, but I might keep the gauge cluster and all the heater controls and whatnot. Center console, I'll probably just keep that. definitely swap out the steering wheel. But yeah, stereo works, windows work, and that's pretty much the inside of the car. All right, so the car should be warmed up now, so I'll stick you guys outside, out back of the car, and I'll give you guys a couple revs. We'll see what it sounds like. Well, I just want to give you guys and girls a quick update on the new project car that we got in the Mad Lab. Sorry I haven't been posting a ton of content lately. We've been super busy. It's been winter, shop's been cold, and I just got too many projects on the go right now. I really got to just focus on one at a time, I think. I got the Harley in the garage too that I picked up. I don't know. I think that might have been a bad idea, but trying to focus and pick one project to work on. If you're an OG subscriber and you've seen all the projects that I have, pick a project and post it down below what one you think I should keep working on. I'm kind of motivated to work on this, but I kind of want to drive this around for the summer, so we might end up working on the Cuda or something like that in the meantime, or my dad's Ferrari. I really should get that done, at least paint the car. But that's going to be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys and girls next time. Ciao, ciao.